how to set asset token in Token Studio. So here is the effect that I would like to achieve. So let's see. So when we turn on the dark mode, the image here will also turn into a dark mode. So that's what I wanted to do. So here's the same design. And I already set up the first three. You can see here it works. And now we're going to set this together. So let's back to the global token. And so this project is called Open. So I'm already set up the token, but haven't defined the value yet. And we're going to do this together. So here we could do a few more things, like when we go to Unsplash and we love this beautiful laptop. And then we right click to open the image in a new tab. Then here we copy the URL and then we put it right in here. And then we can hit save. Okay, nothing worked right because we haven't applied the token yet. We go into light mode and apply this token called project 04. It's already configured. It's open light and then image is Unsplash that we just put it. So we save and then apply it. Voila, this is a beautiful laptop. Then let's try another thing. Since this is public hosted image, let's try something that is not that public. So we like this Apple image here, then we inspect this and we click on this image. It's right here, image wrapper, and this one figure, and you can see the background image is right here. Then we click on the current source. So it opened up a new page for us, and then we click on this URL and let's try it again, see if it works. Okay, I failed to load the image. Why is that? So we bump into a CORS error. So I asked ChatGPT to help me explain this CORS error. So CORS is a cross origin resource sharing. So it's like you have toys you wanted to share with your friends. If your friend is from the same neighborhood as you, then your mom say, yes, you could send your toys to the boy that you wanted to play with. But if the child is from another neighborhood, then your mother would say no because she doesn't trust that child. So the same is that the website is trying to share the information with a website that it doesn't trust. So if that website is from a different neighborhood, then the browser will block the sharing. So basically it's that I think it's Apple doesn't trust us, so it stop it. But I'm not quite sure which one doesn't trust it, which one. Anyway, but we have something, we can fix that by doing these things. We prefix the CORS proxy.io right here. We're saying that it's this one. So this one, you just prefix this part with your image URL. I will show you right away. So we just copy that, right? So we added a token. Now we prefix in front of our URL and then hit save. Voila. So the Apple image is right here. Okay. So what if the image that you want to use is actually in your Figma file? So does it mean you have to load it up to Unsplash? No, you don't need to. So here, even if this is not an image, it's like a frame with object in there. What you can do is right click and copy as PNG. Okay, so this is a trick. Let's ignore this. And then we paste right here. Okay, let's call our Token Studio again. Here, this image right here, we click on inspect channel. So here are the code. You go to the right table one and then click on image.png. So actually, Figma is a browser-based tool. So the image we generated is hosted on browser. So we click on the copy link. Then right here, added token. I don't think we need the CORS right here, but let's see if we need it. So we hit save and see, okay, so it updated. So right here, we see that. So one thing you have to remember is that you don't delete this image after you apply this. You have to delete it in the file, because if you delete this, then the hosted URL will not be valid after I don't know how long. But I remember I set this up 2 weeks before, and then I delete the image right away. then now I can't use that image URL anymore. So that's just one thing you have to remember. You have to let the Figma always have this image in the file so they can host it for you. So you can use it in your Token Studio. So the same thing right here we could do is the same. We copy the doc mode and then we paste it here. Then we copy the image URL. Okay, then we put on the Token Studio. Then we do this global token to the doc. We can paste it, hit save. Okay, so let's see if it works for our download. Click on download. Yeah, it works. Perfect, right? So here it is. Now you know how to do the image. So when you bump into CORS arrow, don't forget to use this prefix right here. And I think that's it. And little trick about copy as PNG and expect channel, you can find image URL that Figma hosted for you. That's it. Bye bye. I'm going to experiment if this still work with a Figma tip. So, well, apparently it didn't, and I started to examine why it is not. Let's try the dark line and maybe. Well, it doesn't work, right? But you see that the image is still right here, that it didn't get deleted, but it just don't work. So this is not a sustainable way. Let's try another one that I will teach you how to post your image in Google Drive. So all you need is upload your image in your Google Drive like this, and let's try this one, the top one, even if it's not a project, but it's fine. So we share and make sure this is going to anyone with a link. Then we copy the link. And here a few things that you need to know, and we put the link right here. So we are looking for the image ID. So it's this one right before the view. So we copy this one and then put it in here, image ID. I will put this link in below so you know how to do that, and also some article about it. Then also we have to put this CORS proxy prefix in front of this image, and we'll see if it works now. So we add a token and put there first, then this one, and then hit save. Okay, and let's see if this one will work. Okay, so we click on that world. Yep, it works. So now you know that this kind of version that Figma hosted for us is not going to work, but you know how to put your image on the Google Drive and then use a CORS proxy and the image ID to generate the image that will basically always work. Okay, that's it. Hope this helps.